So if we talk about turning APIs into callable agent tools, so see, APIs are different from tools. So this is a very important point. So most tools, they wrap business APIs. So tools are different from APIs. So tools, what they do, they wrap business APIs. They wrap many business APIs. So tools, they wrap business APIs. APIs are not agent ready by default. So the idea is that agents should not directly hit the APIs. They should not directly interact with the APIs. Rather, they should interact with the tools. And what are tools? Tools, they wrap APIs. The reason for that is APIs, they are not agent ready by default. So that's why what we should do is that, let us suppose you have several APIs. Now based on the capabilities, you decide the tools and wrap those APIs on that tools, and then your LLM should call those tools based on the requirements. So that is what turning APIs into callable agent tools is. Let us take an example. Like let us suppose we have a raw API. We have a raw API. The endpoint is this. It's a post request version 3 orders refund. So this is the API endpoint. Order ID, reason code, metadata. Order ID, reason code. So these are some parameters for this APIs. So it will take these parameters. So this is the API. So now what we should do is that this is a raw API. Agent should not directly interact with this raw API. This raw API is not agent ready by default. Rather, we should create a agent friendly tool for this API. And tool is basically intent based. So when we create a tool, what we have to take care of is, first we should specify a name for the tool. Like we are creating a agent friendly tool. So the name of the tool is issue refund. Description: issues a refund for a customer order. And parameters: order ID, reason. So we created an agent friendly tool with a name of the tool, that is issue refund. Description is very important. Description tells us that what that tool is about. So this tool issue refund is about, this tool issues a refund for a customer order, and the parameters which this tool can take is order ID and the reason for refund. So how we translate the raw API into agent friendly tool? Let us understand that. So we have abstract away version numbers. So all the version numbers we should remove while creating the agent friendly tool. Internal metadata we should remove, and we should remove the backend implementation details. So now it's very clear that whatever raw API we have, the version numbers of that API, the internal metadata, backend implementation detail, all that we should remove. And the remaining part, like the name, the description, and the parameters. So these three things we need when we design a agent friendly tool. And with this process, like once we have agent friendly tool, like whatever translation we are doing from the raw API to agent friendly tool, what benefit we are getting is, it is simplifying the tool selection. It simplifies the tool selection. It reduces the hallucination, because unnecessary information will create hallucination. It increases the reliability, because once we got away with the version number, once we got away with the version number, so now our tool is more reliable, because versions, it keep on upgrading, but with tool, those issues will not be there. So this abstraction, this translation, it increases the reliability, it improves the maintainability. So this translation, it simplifies the tool selection, it reduces the hallucination, it increases the reliability, it improves the maintainability. So agents should call tools designed for intent, not raw endpoints. Now, this is a very important point. So, see, the idea is that until now, when we design APIs, we design lots of APIs. And the goal for API is to give access to some resources. But when we are designing agent friendly tools, the goal should be the intent. So the tools should be intent based. Like what are the possible intents? And based on those intents, we should design the tools, and those tools should wrap APIs. Those tools should wrap business APIs. And in this way, we should design the agent friendly tools. So agent friendly tools are intent based. So first we should identify all the possible intents for that particular use case. And for those intents, we have to design tools. And for every tool, we should wrap the corresponding business APIs. And in this way, we should turn APIs into callable agent tools.